Today, we're unboxing an incredibly detailed 1/18 scale model of the Rolls-Royce Phantom extended wheelbase, brought to you by Kyosho, a renowned Japanese model car maker. Let's start by taking a closer look at the exterior. The craftsmanship is truly remarkable, with every detail meticulously replicated to reflect the elegance of the Rolls-Royce Phantom. The paint finish is impeccable, giving it a realistic and luxurious feel. It's not just a model, it's a piece of automotive history captured in miniature form. A nice touch is the ability to open and fold the side mirrors, adding to the realism of this model. One of the iconic features of the Rolls-Royce Phantom is the Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. This model comes with not one, but two interchangeable hood ornaments, a chrome version and a golden version. You can easily swap them out to suit your preference. The model also features an openable bonnet and trunk. Under the bonnet, you'll find a highly detailed engine bay, capturing the essence of the Phantom's powerful V12 engine. The trunk opens to reveal a spacious compartment, just like the real vehicle. One of the standout features of this model is its fully functional doors. All four doors open smoothly, revealing the intricately detailed interior. You can see the fine detailing on the seats, dashboard, and even the wood paneling. The attention to detail is simply amazing. And here's a delightful detail: the mini umbrella replicas that you can remove from the rear doors, just like in the actual Rolls-Royce Phantom. A truly luxurious touch. Another incredible feature is the Rolls-Royce logo on the wheels. As the wheels rotate, the logo remains perfectly static, replicating the exact feature found on the real Rolls-Royce Phantom. In summary, this 1/18 scale model by Kyosho is not just a replica, it's a work of art that encapsulates the luxury and meticulous craftsmanship synonymous with Rolls-Royce. Whether you're a dedicated collector or simply an enthusiast of the brand, this model is a must-have. You can purchase this exquisite scale model from our website, www.scalearts.in.